Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well today. So today's video, I'm really excited because we are going to be unboxing the Target Beauty Advent Calendar. I'm really excited about this. I've gone back and forth on this Advent Calendar for some time now. If you hear like the noise, it's my chair, I promise. But I've gone back and forth on this Advent Calendar because I'm not a huge fan of Advent Calendars. The only one that I've really ever opened on my channel has been the Trader Joe's one. And I was super interested in that Advent Calendar this year, but I wasn't super in love with what came in it. And I will be honest with you, I have researched what's in this box. So this is not a complete surprise. I apologize for that. I'm sure it is far more appealing for me unboxing something that I have no idea what's inside, but I just can't do that. I don't have money to do that. I don't have money to just blindly buy something and me not be happy with at least 70% of what's in here, right? But what kind of pushed me on picking this up, so first off, this retails for $20. It says that it's valued over $50, but this actually went on sale for Black Friday and it is currently on sale for $15. I'm not sure when this video is going up. I'm gonna try to have it up as soon as possible. Right now it is Thanksgiving. If I get this up tonight, happy Thanksgiving. I hope that you had a wonderful, wonderful day if you do celebrate. If not, I hope you had a good day in general. But I should definitely have it up by this weekend, so maybe it'll still be up on sale for $15. But this is gonna be the one that's just Target. This is not the Target, like the Ulta Beauty by Target box. This is just the Target one. So all of these brands are sold at Target, even if your Target doesn't have Ulta. So like I said, I did get this for $15 and they had plenty in stock, at least at my Target. But let's get started. I am really excited to unbox this. Like I said, I already know what's in this. So I apologize for that, but like I was saying, I definitely didn't want to buy this if I didn't know what was coming in it. But let's just get started with day one. So with day number one, we are getting this lip balm from EOS. I love, 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 love lip balms, like so much. And this is the Sunset Sips 24-hour moisture lip butter from the brand EOS in the shade Pink Lemonade. It looks really cute and promising. I'm gonna go ahead and open this right now and let's see what it smells like. I'll be really curious. I love, ooh, that does smell good. Yeah, it smells good. It's a really nice kind of faint scent, so it's nothing like, you know, too lemony. It's a nice scent. I just put a little bit on top of my lipstick that I have on. Okay, so day two, pretty happy with that. And also keep in mind that I only paid like $15 for this, right? So that is super exciting. Oh, here's number two. It's actually written out, the number two, not the number two. So let's open this up. Man, I feel like I'm gonna need tweezers or something. Okay, so from number two, it looks like we are getting a product from Winky, and this is the Winky Unibrow Precision Pencil, and this is in the shade Universal. So here's what the box looks like. Winky has adorable packaging, and it says this is universal. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but that's okay. This is literally so tiny. Look at this little thing. So small. Oh, I love that it has this teardrop shape to it. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but I love brow pencils like that. Let me do a swatch. Okay, so I'm definitely getting kind of like ash brown vibes from that. So it's a stretch calling this universal, but I can certainly get some use out of this. So that is really exciting. Winky has some really great really great products. Okay, number three, right here. And it seems like everything is kind of next to each other. Okay, so number three must have like fallen down because it's empty. So let's just move on to number four. It better have fallen down and not me getting completely like not getting anything, right, for day 3. But day 4, this is really exciting. And again, to me, these products, I knew that they had to have value for me to pick it up. But this is the Sonia Kashuk makeup blender. It is a really big size. I remember loving the Sonia Kashuk sponge, so I'm really excited to have this back in my life because I really, really enjoyed it. Okay, now let's go into number 5. Here it is. Okay, this is also really exciting. Super excited about this. This is from Bliss, and I've actually never tried anything from Bliss. So this will be nice to try something out. And that's also something, you know, kind of nice about advent calendars. You can try, you know, little minis from different brands, but this is the Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator for all day moisture. So here's what the box looks like. I mean, this is a nice little, you know, deluxe size. Let me go ahead and take it out of the box. So here's what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Cream, like the packaging. Oh, it has a nice, really clean scent to it. First off, look at how pretty this looks. It's like a really beautiful light blue color. Wow, okay. Let's put a little bit of this. Oh, okay. This would be a really, really good daytime moisturizer. Very lightweight, like very, very lightweight. If you have dry skin, I'm not sure if you'll love this, but this will be a really nice daytime moisturizer. If you have dry skin and this is too light for you, maybe you can mix it in with some serums. You could also just use it on your body if you want to just make sure that you're getting use out of it. So this is really exciting. I really, really enjoy the texture of that. Okay, so that was number 5. Let's move on to number 6. Oh gosh, it hurts opening this stuff. This is what I was super, super excited about, you guys. I'm so thrilled. So I am really curious about this brand called Byoma, B-Y-O-M-A. It just looks like really good. It looks like it has some really good products in it. So I was really curious to just kind of try some things from the brands. This is the Depuff and Brighten Eye Gel, and I've heard good things about this brand, but I've also heard good things about this product, and this is a good size for an eye gel, you guys. I absolutely love this adorable pink, so I'm really excited to try this out. Byoma is really affordable, but this is really nice to get a sample of it to try it out to see if you like it. Okay, now let's go into number 7. Okay, number 7, we have a Batiste Original Dry Shampoo. So I do not use dry shampoo. I shower and wash my hair every single day. I know that that's probably frowned upon, but I just have a really oily scalp and oily hair that I can't really get into not washing my hair every day. I think it's gross, but maybe I can try this out and see how effective it works. I used to use the Batiste dry shampoo for brunettes, like the brown one, forever ago. So I am curious to kind of, you know, I kind of want to smell it. Is that weird? Oh, it smells so good. Did I just spray this? No. Oh, I love the way it smells. So I kind of just want to try this out again and see like how effective it actually is at soaking up my oils. But last time I checked, I am a little bit like, I don't want to say allergic to dry shampoo, but my scalp does get a little bit itchy. But it's been a while that I've tried dry shampoo. So I'll try it out. If not, maybe I'll give it to my sister or something. So that was number 7. Now let's go in to number 8. So number 8, not a huge fan of like products like this, but it's still nice to, you know, I guess try it. So this is Liquid IV. This is the Hydration Multiplier and the flavor. So it's a powered probiotic kombucha drink mix, and it's the flavor tart green apple. So I will obviously try this out. I think you just add this to your water. So we'll try it. So that was number 8. Now let's go into number 9. Okay, so number 9, this is exciting. This is from NYX. It's their matte finish makeup setting spray. Really, really cool. I love NYX. So this will be nice to try out. Still haven't found number 3 yet. So hopefully I find this thing. But Okay, that was number 9. Now let's go to number 10. Okay, number 10 is an Aussie hair product. So this is called the 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. So I've heard good things about this product as well. So I will definitely give this a testing, and let's smell it. Oh, it smells really good. That smells good. That smells really, really good. But I'm excited to try that out. Let's see. And then I'm like, I think I got cheated, you guys. I don't think I have my product in here from number 3. Anyways, okay. So now let's do number 11. Ooh, okay. Number 11 is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and it's a little like deluxe size, but it is so adorable. Like, look how cute it is. I think they do sell these, like the mini sizes. So I do not have this. I have the one with niacinamide in it. So I'm looking forward to trying out like the OG one. But here's what it looks like. So really happy about that. And then let's go to number 12. This is the last day. Oh, here's my number 3. Okay. So let me show you what was in number 3, because I knew you get gummies in this. And it's from Olli, and it's the like beauty gummies. What are they? Undeniable Beauty, Healthy Hair, Skin, and Nails 2 gummies. I'm gonna eat these right now because literally every person I've seen open this box eats them right now. It tastes good. These are grapefruit glam. And then the final product, this is day number 12. This, I could like take it or leave it. I definitely will use these. I will definitely get use out of these. It's just, I probably would have preferred a makeup product other than this, but anyways, this is from Tanologist. This is their medium self-tan drops. So it's kind of just like a little travel size. This is definitely a one-time use. And here is what it looks like. So again, take it or leave it. I could probably have preferred like a makeup product, like I was saying, but that's okay. But overall, I mean, I'm really happy with everything in here. You didn't get a lot of makeup. I would say these are like really the only 2 makeup items, the e.l.f. primer and the NYX setting spray. Oh, we did get a brow pencil. I forgot about that. We got the Winky Luxe brow pencil. If you want to count this as makeup, the Sonia Kashuk makeup sponge, really excited about that. I mean, I'm really happy with everything. I'm super, super excited to try Bliss and Bioma, so that's exciting. I always love getting another lip balm into my collection, so happy with that. Really excited to try out, or yeah, I mean, kind of try out the e.l.f. primer. I mean, there's some good products in here. I'm really happy with this advent calendar. I don't know if it was worth the $20 just because, again, I just prefer something with more makeup in it. But at $15, I was totally happy with that, you know? This almost cost the entire price of the box. And then when you throw in like this, I think this is sold at Target maybe for like $6. So that alone is kind of worth the box in my opinion. So yeah, I don't know. I'm really happy with the products. I'm happy with, you know, the variety. It was kind of like skincare, makeup, hair care, some well-being, if you will, which I could kind of do without, but it's fine. But yes, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Like, any interaction really helps my channel. Any engagement really helps my channel. So I really do appreciate that. But I really hope that you will go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so, so much to me. And I will go ahead and see you in my next video. Bye.